How y'all doing? It's me, Slad, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna be making a burger, and the key to making a burger is the environment. Make sure you have a functioning stove and a clean surface to work on. Once you have all that squared away, we're gonna get the ingredients, also known as the mise en place. Now, a burger in its most basic elements is the patty, the bread, the cheese, and the pickles. Now, the burger we're making today is a little bit special, so there are 2 extra steps that you have to do in this video that I will explain. But before we get into all that, make sure you have the right cooking ware. Get yourself a nice big frying pan that you're gonna put on the stove. Now, you can use olive oil to cook all your things, but me personally, I'll stick with the butter. Set that burner to a nice medium heat. Get that butter to a nice sizzle. And just like that, we're entering extra step number 1, onions. Now, it's kind of simple. All you have to do is grab an onion like so, and you kind of just... Now, this technique right here was invented by Guy Fieri himself. He called it the caramelizing of the onions. Once the onions are golden brown, they're ready to go in a nice bowl. Get them all in there and then put them to the side for now. Now comes the main event, which is the cooking of the patty. Be sure to use seasoning. And for the optimal texture, I suggest doing 3 minutes per side. Not too rough, not too soft. You're gonna season the patty and place the patty seasoned side down. I like to cover my patties in order to encapsulate the heat. While the meat is cooking, I like to toast my bread so that way it can stay strong. Ain't nothing worse than a burger that can't hold it together. Now we segue into extra step number 2, the sauce. Get yourself a nice sauce bowl and gather these ingredients as follows: mayo, mustard, and ketchup. Combining these ingredients is actually very simple. Just do equal parts mayo and ketchup and about a 1/3 part of mustard. Now keep in mind this sauce is a foundation. You can spice it up however much you like. You can add garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, paprika, whatever. But this base sauce is good on its own and it's acceptable. Now is about the time where we check up on the patties. Go ahead and season them again and then do the little flip. During them last 30 seconds is when you add the cheese. Go ahead and let that thing melt and take it off the heat. Once you have these very evenly toasted buns, you're gonna be ready to dress up the burger. Now you're probably wondering, Slad, but where are the fries? It's simple. I didn't buy them.